Day 18, it's a circle. What can that mean? It's another lip mask, guaranteed to be the same as the last one because the ingredients are the same on the back. Okay, can't open it. Oh, am I denied? There we go. Looks the same, feels the same. Smells, this one actually smells more of peaches that were mentioned in the other one, but the colour's still the same. So I still have trouble believing what's in it is in it, given the order of the ingredients and stuff. But you never know. Quite light as well. Another lip mask. So I suppose we're making a lip product. I don't think I'm going to make another one of these or another lip balm. You're probably sick of lip balms. So I'll make something else lip related and hopefully you'll like that. So yeah, let's make something better. Okay, and we are making a lip balm, but we're making a squeezy lip balm. So in this container, because I'm saving beakers because I've got a lot to make today, we have jojoba oil, argan oil, castor oil, cerebellina wax, which is what will give it that gel consistency, and some shea butter. And I'm just going to mix that together with a little bit of orange mica that's lip safe because it's a mango squeezy lip balm. Melt all of that together. Stir it around a little bit. It'll still be very liquid at this point. Let it cool a tiny bit and then you can add your mango flavour oil and some vitamin E. Mix that around really well so that it's combined and then leave it to cool for quite a while until it starts to gel and you get a nice gel consistency. It will thicken up further, but we need to be able to have it fluid enough to get into these lovely containers. Tip from Soapy Bath & Body was to squeeze all the air out of these containers before filling them. So that's what I've done. And yes, it did help a little bit. So thank you for that. Here's it all labelled up. It's really simple to make. It's really effective and they feel really, really lovely on the lips, these lip balms. I don't have an alternative for the cerebellina. If you're vegan, I'm sorry, I am trying to find one. But if you do want this formula, that's over on Patreon and it's linked below. And I'll see you tomorrow for another formula.